Hello everyone. Have you ever dreamed of studying abroad but felt like your dreams were just too expensive? Does your family struggle with rising school fees, fuel prices, and daily expenses while your goals quietly take a backseat? Well, today might just change your life. Because what if I told you that one of the top 150 universities in the world nestles in the heart of Jeddah, Saudi Arabia is offering a fully funded scholarship covering your tuition, housing, flights, monthly income, and even your thesis printing cost. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a lifeline, especially if you are from Pakistan, India, or Nigeria, where inflation, job markets, and private education costs are pushing dreams further out of reach. Welcome to today's video. Study in Saudi Arabia for free. King Abdulaziz University Scholarship 2025 and 2026, a step by step and practical journey into one of the most generous scholarship program in the world. So grab a notebook, a cup of tea, and maybe call your parents because this could be your next big chapter. Why this scholarship matters? Let's face it, life is getting tougher. In Pakistan, fuel price is touching to 280 per liter. In Nigeria, inflation has crossed 34%. And in India, private universities are charging up to 5 lakhs a year. And all this while students like you with talent, ambition, and purpose are being forced to settle. That's where King Abdulaziz University steps in. Located in the historic, vibrant city of Jeddah, this university, ranked 143 in the world, is offering more than a degree. It's offering freedom, dignity, and a shot at becoming something more than just a statistic. Whether you are passionate about computer science, engineering, business, or even Arabic and Islamic studies, King Abdulaziz University is giving you a world class education for free. Let that sink in. What you will get, the benefits. So, what exactly do you get if you are selected? 100% tuition waiver, monthly stipend up to 1000 Saudi Riyal for undergraduate, monthly stipend up to 1000 Saudi Riyal for undergraduate and 4000 for PhD student. Preparation allowance 1800 Riyal, thesis printing 3000 Riyal, shipment 2700 Riyal, fully furnished accommodation, free healthcare, subsidized meals, and yes, a free round trip ticket to your home country every single year. Can you imagine flying home to Lahore, Delhi, or Labas every year without spending a single penny? That's not just sport, that's love. What can you study under this scholarship? Let's talk about this. King Abdulaziz University isn't giving you a seat in a classroom, they are giving you success to cutting edge labs, global professors, and future proof degrees. You can study computer science, engineering, mechanical, civil, and electrical, business and economics, biology and chemistry, environmental sciences, Arabic language, and Islamic studies. And the best part, no IELTS is needed if you are applying for Arabic or Islamic studies, perfect for students fluent in Urdu, Hausa, or similar languages. Let's discover who can apply for this scholarship. So now you are thinking, okay, but do I qualify? Let's break it down. For undergraduates, age between 17 to 25, a secondary certificate like FSC, CBSE, or WAEC must be issued in the last 3 years. Minimum very good academic performance attested by Saudi Embassy in Islamabad, New Delhi, or Abuja. Female students must have a male guardian in Saudi Arabia. For masters under 30 years of their age, bachelor's degree with 3.0 GPA, embassy attestation is required. For PhD, age under 35, masters with strong academic performance, IELTS 5, TOEFL 500 plus only for English programs. Other requirements: good conduct, physically and mentally fit, two academic recommendation letters, valid passport with at least 1 year's validity. How to apply? Step 1. Head to the official website. Step 2. Create an account on the Study and Saudi platform. Step 3. Prepare and upload your documents. What documents are needed? A CV, a statement of purpose, attested certificates and transcripts, two academic recommendation letters, passport copy. Step 4. Submit before the deadline. For undergraduate, deadline is June 14, 2025, and for postgraduate program, last date to submit your application is 31st October 2025. Step 5. Keep an eye on your email for updates on interviews, acceptance, and visa processing. Tips for Pakistani, Indian, and Nigerian students. Let's get real. Documents can be a hassle. In Pakistan, embassy attestation may take 2 weeks and cost 5,000 rupees. Focus on engineering and CPEC related fields in your SOP. In India, CBSE documents can be attested in New Delhi for about 2000. Highlight how IT or business studies can help Indians' digital economy. In Nigeria, WAEC verification may cost 50,000. Emphasize tech education or agriculture in your SOP. Plan early, be honest, let your passion shine through your words. Challenges you must prepare for. This scholarship is a game changer, but let's not sugarcoat it. It's highly competitive. Thousands of students apply globally, so your SOP and grades must be outstanding. Female applicants must secure a legal guardian in Saudi Arabia, it's a requirement. Embassy attestation and visa processing can take weeks. Start early. Be patient, rejection happen. But even applying can open doors to other Saudi or Gulf scholarships. So what's stopping you? This isn't just a scholarship, it's a passport to dignity, to freedom, to walk into your home with a degree that didn't cost your parents their savings or your siblings their future. If you are from Pakistan, India, or Nigeria, this could be your moment. Share this video and tag a friend and start your application today. Let the world see what a student from Lahore, Delhi, or Lagos can become when given a chance. Your future is waiting in Jeddah. Where you go? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with those who might benefit from this.